Ever wonder how people make money online?
Yeah, because I mean, I made a lot of money online, but I don't have a system. You know what I mean? I don't have a step one, step two, step three.
It would be so much easier if we had a system.
Yeah,
Well, it turns out we do have a system.
we do.
Yeah, it's like 6 figures in 6 months kind of system.
But
And you could learn the secrets of successful online earners.
how many people have left positive testimonials?
11,000
Okay,
positive testimonials.
but they must know what they're doing. They must be like, influencers.
No, these are people that are really not that skilled in tech or anything or online or social media. Everyone's new. For the most part, there's only a few influencers in the group.
Yeah, that's what I found too. Like, because I look at these, when you get our system, basically every day I look at the wins, and every day I'm blown away by people buying their mom a car, getting out of debt, putting their kids through school, just being so incredibly thankful because they've been so broke, and now they're not broke anymore, and they've got the system. So make sure to go to wealthyatlast.com. That's really what you want to do right now.
That's where you get your blueprint. The blueprint is basically your step-by-step process to making 10K in 30 days or 6 figures in 6 months. It gives you the step-by-step on how to use digital media and social media to get you there.
Yeah. Did we already do our affirmations?
I don't think we've done our affirmations yet. It's time for our affirmations.
Okay. Thing one, I'm capable of creating unlimited wealth for myself. Unlimited wealth for myself. I like that.
That's a good one. I am grateful for the wealth and prosperity in my life. I'm grateful for the wealth and prosperity in my life. Right now.
Right here, right now.
Claim it for yourself.
Yeah, claim it for yourself. Ditto. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. Please make sure to join our thing, follow us, or be our friend, or
follow,
whatever.
like us, all of the above.
Yeah, we like you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.